Hi there, guys. Moro here once again. Um, have been a bit absent with the videos. Um, a lot of stuff going on, but regardless, um, a lot of trading opportunities, a lot of setups, a lot of nice price action going on. Um, yeah, I would like to share my view of obviously of what's going on with the DX, the euro, and the Aussie dollar for that sake, for that matter. As I have mentioned them on my thread, um, I wanted to post the the video actually this video on Sunday, but I had kind of a busy weekend with my kids, my wife. Anyways, um, and this morning I had a session, a coaching session, which I spoke to my student last Thursday of, of, of about the particular outcomes that that we shared, that we collectively analyzed. So actually, pretty much came out the way we were expecting. Just reading stops and having a good notion of market structure and trend. We kind of guessed, if you will, rightly on what the outcome was. So, but let's get on to it. Um, this is the DX 4 hour. I'm not gonna get into the daily chart now, but we are still in an uptrend. Still, we're in a bullish market structure. Still in a bullish EMA crossover, and therefore we should still be looking for buy opportunities on the dollar, sell opportunities on the euro, the cable, and some of the other majors. But just for a comparison, the DX and the euro, the fiber, you're gonna see they in a way you know they're trading pretty much the same way. Okay, so this is the 4 hour time frame, as I mentioned, and price action is being contained pretty much by this uh, level right here and this other level right over here. Okay, so we're pretty much in a sideways market, in a ranging market, if you will, right in between the 88.30 and the 88.20-ish range. Um, Pretty much or 87.20th, 20th, 20-ish, sorry, range. So it's pretty much a 100 pip range, very tight range. But regardless, we're still in a buyer's market here. Um, so as you guys can see, and as you guys, most of you guys might know, um, we kind of change tactics when the market is not actually trending, or when the market is consolidating as it is now, or if it is sideways in a rectangle, whatever you define um, um, this sideways price action. Um, we try to change the tactics. So we trade fake breakouts. We trade things like that, turtle soups, stop raids, and that's what we should be looking for. But yeah, this was a very nice setup in a bullish market. Um, as you guys probably can see, there is a bullish order block sitting right below um, the support level I just delineated. So price pierced the lows into the bullish order block for another setup, for another buy setup. Pretty much in confluence, you know, the 70.5, 79 retracement levels. They're both good for a buy opportunity. Yeah, so pretty much this is the price action. All in all, instead of just showing you a setup, showing you guys a setup, I just want to show you or share my view on the market, on the price action of the USDX market or instrument. So this is pretty much my view on it, and but still, there's absolutely no reason for us to be thinking about taking a short at this moment. Market structure, as I've mentioned, is still bullish. EMAs might be a little bit sideways, but still bullish. Therefore, I don't see absolutely no reason for longs at this current moment. That doesn't mean that we won't have in the future, but it's still a bit early, in my honest opinion, to think about taking shorts. Right, let's move on to fiber. Yeah, also the 4 hour. Let me get rid of. Oh, no, just stick with it. But pretty much the same. We're still in a bearish market, although you could say, okay, this today's price action, we took out the previous high, but that was you know, not very I mean, sure, not very clear that this level was taken out, and therefore and all in all, what I have in mind is the following. Price was being held by the 25 round number, right around this blue rectangle I'm drawing right now. Let me try to make it cleaner. So price was pretty much contained or being held by this this top right here and this bottom. So a very tight range, very similar case to the USDX. And I mentioned on my thread that a good opportunity to sell was 25.50, right around the 25.50 level. It was a good opportunity to sell. And if you guys see what we're resting right above this level and this level too. I mean, it was pretty clear that the market, if the market was going to be driven up here, I mean, it might as well drop because there was a batch of stops. Let me make these red so you guys can see it better. But I've mentioned a few times that trading is the art of reading stops. So if you reckon that there were buy stops lying above these levels right over here, and there was a clear order block here and another clear, I mean this one was tested, but there was two clear order blocks pretty much defending the 25.50 level, and if we draw these two, this one, and this one, and we fib this sucker, there you have pretty much two levels where you could be selling, but all in all, good confluence between the 70.5 and the 25.50, and yeah, there you have. So the market chose the opposite direction as it actually drove prices higher to take these stops, and then it obviously would drive prices lower. But what is lying uh, below here? This is what you guys have to ask yourselves here and here. All right. So there's stops, there sell stops lying right below these lows. So my guess is, as usual, market drives prices up. This is a bearish market. Drive prices up, draw, the breakout artists to buy. Um, People who were short, they reverse and they go long. And what do they do next? They just bring prices lower. Right now, price is sitting on the 24.50 level. Um, Again, right in the middle of this consolidation, this previous consolidation. Um, but once again, this is a stop hunting game, if you will. That's why on Friday I mentioned who has the guts to sell late on Friday at the 25.50 level. Because to me, it made all the sense in the world, this movement up, this false rally up, just to bring the market down. And this to me also means that the market has chosen the other direction, has chosen to go down. I could be wrong once again, but I mean, it was kind of a no-brainer to me in this situation. Okay, moving on to the Aussie dollar. Um, Again, still in a bearish market. Had a little bit of sideways movement, crossover, but still we're in a bearish market. Still a bearish market structure, even though you could say, okay, this high was taken out, but this longer term high was not taken out. All right. So let me get rid of these EMAs right here. Okay, let's have a look at, well, let's go back to the daily time frame just to highlight this bearish order block. We arrived, very important order block. 87.61 is a nice a resistance level. Actually, let me just calibrate it a little bit right over here, even better. Yeah, 87.67 is a nice support resistance level. Even calibrate it a little more, but yeah, there you have it. It's a nice support resistance level. There's also this 4-hour very shorter block as well. So 4-hour very shorter block, right prior to the move. So this is a pretty similar situation to the euro. Price was being held by these. Let me zoom in. You guys might see it better. But yeah, price was being held by this level right over here. This particular very clean highs, and there was also a gap that was issued for for it to be covered, to be closed, and yeah. So the idea was that these levels were too clean. We would have a false breakout, closing the gap inside the order block for another sell. Again, we're in a bearish market as well, And I had this planned on Thursday with one of my students. Um, if you draw the fib, actually, I used the wrong level, but if you use the fib, you see the confluence with the 79% retracement level um, for another cell. So pretty much this order block worked wonders. Um, a lot of confluence in here. Um, yeah, so probably one of the reasons um, this trade went well. Everything combined, turtle soup. I mean, false breakout, bearish market inside the order block for a drop, and yeah, once again working um, nicely for now at least. But the idea behind this trade was this, um, and if we check um, uh, closer on the daily time frame, you can see the clear rejection of this level, the clear, the clean highs right over here. Price penetrates into the bearish order block, and then you have a nice drop, nice rejection. You can see the candle, the wick, the big wick, the big rejection. Yeah, and we could expect lower prices. So yeah, these were the ideas. These were the setups, or the price action that I was pretty much showing you guys. A lot of things, a lot of nice things happened to on the dollar yen pair. A lot of retracement buys. It's it's a trending a trending instrument right now. It's a very bullish, very uptrend, a very bullish market right now. But yeah, it's a support resistance level right over here. Order block for another buy. Here once again, for a shorter block, another buy, and it's been nice trading the dollar yen. And it's been happening over and over again. Yeah. So yeah, another one right here. Probably probably another buy right here. Yeah. So yep, or even lower. Yeah, there you have it. Another buy. Precise. Another buy right there. Yeah. So yeah, a lot of opportunities going on. Yeah. So it's kind of it's kind of strange the way I look at the market, and I see other people looking at the market. They're trying to to pick bottoms or tops, or say, okay, this is in a seller's market or a buyer's market, or whatever, you know um, or market maker sell model, or market maker buy model. But at the end of the day, you gotta look what's about what's really going on um, with price action. If you're unable to figure out the price action, is it's kind of hard for you to figure out the setups and what's really going on with price. So instead of looking at price, just as candles, or bars, try to figure out, the stops, the stop levels, and if you were a bank, where would you take the market to? If we are in a seller's market, Is it better to sell above fair value or below fair value? Those kinds of things are the things you should be thinking of, not just looking at candles and bars and say, okay, this is, it's just doing this or doing that. Think like you were selling or buying your house. Okay, so if you have a house, we're in a seller's market. Do you want to sell your house for more or for less? Below 50% of what market is currently offering, or above 50%? So, guys, I mean, um, think about what you were doing, like you were selling your house. Okay, that's my advice for today. This is, the price action for today. And guys, take care and good luck and good trading. Later. Bye bye.